Hello, my name is Fernanda, and I bring you something to get rid of your cough. Honey for cough. We had every had a cough and be able to import with what Superwoman recommends. Hello, I am a super grandmother, and to combat a cough, you should take a teaspoon of honey before going to sleep. Reduce cough. Bye. I hope and I have helped you.